In this video, we're going to look at how to change layer properties in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9. So I have my job in front of me. We can see that it's got two layers, reg marks and cut. Remember, reg marks are just where we have our registration marks, and we're not actually going to set anything up in terms of tools or anything for that layer. Then we have our cut layer here. Now remember that the cut or the spot color doesn't really mean anything at this point. I can assign it to either a tool manually like this, or I can use a material preset and it will automatically assign it because it's on cut, or I can say select method and I can choose from a list of presets in there if I have them. So if I'd like one of these lines to be on a different layer, however, I'd click on the line and I'd go to this layer section here, and then I'll choose a different layer. So let's say it's going to go on that one. There you go, that's now on a different layer to everything else. So that's how we can change layer properties in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9.